Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine and enjoying. I'm your teacher Hina Amreen, and today we are going to learn about articles. What are articles? How many types of articles do we have in English language, and how do we use articles in different places?
A and the. Students, we have used these words many times in sentences, but we don't know actually what do we call them in English grammar. So today we are going to learn about these words. They are called articles. Let's see the definition. What is an article? Basically, articles are either definite or indefinite. They combine to a noun to indicate the type of reference being made by the noun. So that means articles have two types: indefinite articles and definite articles. In the indefinite articles, a and an, these two are included, and the is definite article. Now we are going to learn about them in details. Indefinite articles are a and an, but here comes a confusion. Where should we use a and where should we use an? Which one do I choose? Let's learn their usage. Use a or an when it is the first time something is mentioned. For example, I met a smart doctor. I work in a factory in New York. I borrowed a pencil from her. I saw a movie. Now you can see here all the words which are used after the article a are mentioned first time. So here we have used a. We use indefinite article a with jobs when we talk about different jobs. For example, Lou's mother is a doctor, Edwin is a pilot, Marcella is a dancer, Orlando is a butcher. Now in this example you can see before jobs we have used indefinite article a doctor, a pilot, a dancer, a butcher. The indefinite article a is used before a consonant sound. You can see here in the example a tree, a dog, a bed. Now in these examples the underlined letters are consonant sounds, and with the consonant sounds we use a. See other examples: a chair, a sharpener, a book. Now where do we use indefinite article an? We use indefinite article before a vowel sound. An engineer, an elephant, an athlete, an orange, an igloo. You can see these nouns all have a vowel sound in the start. Now with the vowel sounds we use an. And what is the? The is definite article. When we mention something for the first time, we use a or an. The next time, if we repeat that object, we use the definite article the. For example, you can see here, I live in a house. The house is quite old and has 4 bedrooms. Now in this example you can notice a house is mentioned first time, and when we repeat the same object we have used here definite article the house. Let's see the next example. I ate in a Chinese restaurant. The restaurant was very good. Now again you can see in the first sentence the restaurant is mentioned first time, and in the second sentence the restaurant is mentioned second time, and here we have used definite article the. I bought a car. The car is red. Now in the first statement a car is common or generally used, and in the next statement it has been specified the car which one is red. She went to a farm. The farm was really big according to her. In this sentence as well, you can see in the first statement a farm is generalized, but in the next sentence it has been specified, which is mentioned earlier. When the subject is unique, there is only one. For example, the sun. We can see the sun is only one. So with the sun we use the article, definite article, the. The sun rose at 6:17 this morning. You can go anywhere in the world. Now you can see here there is only world we have. So there we have used definite article, the. Clouds drift across the sky. The president will be speaking on TV tonight. Now here the president means we are talking about some specific person. The CEO of Total is coming to our meeting. The moon is so brilliant today. These are the example of unique subjects. We also use definite article the when we talk about superlative degrees of adjectives. An adjective has 3 degrees we have already learned: positive, comparative and superlative. An article the is used with superlative adjectives. This is the highest building in the New York. She read the best chapter of the book. You are the tallest person in our class. This is the worst moment to travel. We have the most beautiful beaches. These are the example of superlative adjectives with article the. We also use article when we want to describe the country or city or the place of these country or cities. You can see here in the example, you have to visit the south of France. Now the person is specifying that you need to visit the south of France. This is the one part of the France. They live in the north of the city. They will go to the west of the states. There are certain words or sentences where you don't need any article, that are called zero article words. When no article is needed, they are called zero article. We don't need any article when making generalizations with plural or uncountable nouns. For example, music is great to have fun. Now music is uncountable noun. Shoes are more expensive than sandals. Butter is bad for our health. Women are more intelligent than men. Men are stronger than women. Now let's observe the use of articles in these sentences, and these crosses and the sentences are indicating that there is no need of any article. Sentence number 1, Robert and Jessica went to the party last night. That means these two went to the specific party last night. Can you tell me how to get to the cinema from here? The college is closed today. Gregory is one of the strongest people I know. I recommend you try tomato soup at this restaurant. You can see here there is a cross, that means zero article. Here article is not needed. Would you like to see a film? The film I saw yesterday was excellent. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. I can't believe I failed the yesterday's test. Do you have the dictionary that I can borrow? Magda is wearing a blue dress with red shoes. Christmas comes once a year. Jane went to the shop to buy bread. Now you can see here either bread is uncountable, but still there is no need of article here. Hania broke, in the start there is a cross, so here is also no need of article. Hania broke a glass when she was washing up. This is an easy question. This is the easiest exercise I have ever seen. Stephen, could you speak a little louder? Now these are the examples of using articles in different sentences. I am sure students you have understood well about the concept of articles, definite and indefinite article differences. Take care all of you. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice time.